So first I want to talk to you, Ms. Show. I understand that you're a bit jealous of him. Tell me why.
Well, first off, I wouldn't say jealous. I'm more protective.
Protective,
over
okay.
What's mine,
Let's get it straight.
You know? He's very flirtatious with the women at work when we're out. We had a situation. We went out one night. Apparently, I took too long in the bathroom. I come out. He's having a drink with a whole nother lady that he paid for.
Are you buying drinks for other women while the woman you're with is in the bathroom?
Well, she basically said she wasn't really, you know what I'm saying, didn't have no money, and I was just trying to be a nice guy looking out for her, and it was just a couple dollars. So I didn't think it would be a big problem.
You didn't think that was problematic at all?
Yeah, you did it, bro. And skip the cutting around the bush. My question is, what was you going to do? Was you going to leave your girl there and take her home? Or you might have probably took both of them home, but it's always respect, bro. It's always respect. Like, I ain't promoting saying that you should do it. I'm not saying go ahead and do it, but why she there, bro? Why she in your presence, bro? That's disrespectful, man. That's disrespectful. If you're gonna play the game, you gotta respect the game, bro.
No, not a big problem.
If she was sitting right next to you, would you have bought the drink?
No.
No, I wouldn't.
See there? Don't do in the dark what you don't want to come to the light. Now, Mr. Moore, you say she's simply insecure.
Yeah.
That she just, you know, tell me some of the things that she's done to track, trail, or otherwise.
Where you want me to start at?
Anywhere.
Oh my God, she can be very insecure at times. One time, for example, I'm on my way to work and she's driving. You know what I'm saying? And my phone ring. It was an old female friend of mine. You know what I'm saying, that she knew about. And she called me. Nothing real important like that, but she was driving and she instantly, you know what I'm saying, just jumped out her body like, who is that? Who is that? Who calling you? All I heard is a female on the phone. So I tried to tell her what the ordeal was. First thing she, you know what I'm saying, try to do is grab my phone. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just like, hold on, slow down. We tussling over the phone in the middle of the highway.
He should just let me see it.
You were tussling over the phone while you were driving.
All he had to do was just hand me the phone.
In the middle of the highway.
First of all, there's no texting, reading, or otherwise being engaged while driving.
Thank you.
Hands,
Thank you.
eyes. You can look in a mirror, and that's it. I don't care who was on the phone.
She's always checking my phone. And then at that certain situation, we tussling over the phone, she instantly just grabbed my phone and tossed it out the window. And just toss it, and out of nowhere, she just politely pulls off.
I did.
You tossed it out the window.
Yes, I did. All you had to do is just let me see. But I can't see your phone, though, when it rings. I got to fight you to get to your phone, but you're not cheating. You're not doing nothing.
Because
let me see it, then you can see mine.
When my phone rings, it's for me. I don't be in your phone.
But I don't have no problem with you in it.
I understand that.
Well, you ain't understanding enough.
And at 5 a.m., I take it the same thing happened. Your phone went off at 5 a.m. It's the same story. She goes for the phone.
This what happened. Early one morning, you know what I'm saying? I think we had just got our argument later on that night. But early one morning, you know, when you sleep, you just hear it ring, the ringtone, the text message. So we heard, you know what I'm saying? And she's like, your phone ringing? I'm like, nah, baby, you might be tripping. That wasn't my phone, you know what I'm saying? Nah, that's your phone. You always got people calling, texting you 2, 3 o'clock in the morning just for no, you know what I'm saying, for no reason. I'm like, baby, calm down. I don't, you know what I'm saying? That wasn't my phone. I think that was your phone. Nah, let me check your phone. Look, now you taking this somewhere else. You know what I'm saying? It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We don't need to take it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I want to check your phone. I want to see who texted me. I pick up my phone. I know there's no notifications. I'm like, hold on, baby. Check your phone. Let's check your phone.
It was an email on my phone. It was.
And now you about to jump on this man about
at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Somebody was doing it to you.
She said we got the same ringtone.
And we got the same. His text message ringtone is my email ringtone. So
let me ask you this, Miss Shaw. He seems like a decent guy. Have you any concrete, real, rational evidence that he's doing it? The thing with the drink was tacky. No doubt.
That's the worst of that part of it, yeah.
But it's not an indication of cheating. Yeah,
that ain't first degree.
No, not really. No.
What we here for? Let's wrap it up.
We've talked about your
wrap
jealousy.
it up.
Now, Mr. Moore, I'm gonna change targets. And the target is now you. I understand that you have an issue that you're jealous of her about. You have a problem with an individual? Do you not?
My best friend.
The only problem I have is with old girls she talked to.
She
I don't
got
know.
a name.
A friend of hers.
I call her Felicia.
Felicia.
Bye, Felicia. That's her name. I
Well,
call her.
when we get, I'm going to ask you why you have such a, because women have friends. So I want to know why this particular girlfriend is such a problem to you. So, Mr. Moore, what's wrong with Aisha?
Aisha is a handful. Every day, they're always hanging out. Every day, it's just them two. And I, you know what I'm saying, for another instance, I have nothing against it, but she's also bisexual. You know what I'm saying? And she always...
But that doesn't mean I am. Just because my friend
How
just
do
don't
I
mean
know
I am. You should know me better than that.
But you with her
Let's
more than
find
you
out
with
what
me.
Mr. Moore's problem is, though. Is she simply around too much?
Around too much and always have her nose in our relationship.
That's the problem. It ain't her being around. It's her being in that goddamn inbox, bro. I tell y'all all of the time. That's not the one. That's not the one that you got impressed, bro. She going whatever. She gonna be high, low, up, down, left, right. She gonna be that all of the time. But that best friend, bro. When that best friend come around, bro, you got to win her over. You got to. And the worst, I'm telling you, the worst of the worst is them nosy motherfuckers that need to know everything. Best friend probably ain't got no man. She probably ain't got, yeah, bro. So she all on. Her job is to be in y'all shit. That's her job. She treat that like that's her job. And she too good at it. Now oh yeah, you remember 6 months ago when he said that he was going, and you remember when he called you, woo, 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 woo. Yeah, bro, that's how it's going to go down. That's how it go. And to be honest with you, in this type of situation, bro, it always make you feel like you outnumbered. It make you feel like you outnumbered. And then on top of that, like you said, if she bisexual, you feel like, shit, I don't know if she clapping to or not. I don't know if she clapping to or not. Shit. Oh yeah, we went out for drinks one night and then she kissed me and then she put her leg on my, bro, that happens because you would feel more comfortable. All right, well, it's my friend, it's my homegirl. It ain't like I'm out here doing it with no dude or nothing like that. And it's my homegirl on top of that, so he really wouldn't trip. He really wouldn't be mad, which I'm not. Don't get it, which I'm not, bro. I ain't mad at that at all, but yeah, it makes you feel like it's always a 2-on-1, and don't nobody want nobody always in their business. I feel them on this one. I feel them.
She always butting in our relationship, always has something to say about our relationship. If we get into an argument, she'll bring up some Felicia said, not Aisha, Felicia.
So it's like 2 against 1. You never fighting with one person. You always fight with two people.
Yep.
And I, you know what I'm saying? I proposed to her. I love her. I love Brittany. And I'm always fighting with the both of them.
You're always fighting with the both.
I'm always fighting with the both of them.
Well,
She's around.
Since Aisha is always around, I think we should talk to her.
Talk to who?
Aisha.
What you mean? We finna talk to Aisha? Well, we gotta talk to Aisha. Aisha ain't even here.
Oh, here she comes.
You go right back about the door.
Aisha Brown, how are you, ma'am?
Hi, Your Honor.
You are Brittany's best friend.
Yes, ma'am. 7 years.
What are your thoughts on Mr. Moore here? Do you think, well, I got an idea what you think, so why don't you tell me?
For one, he lying. He's sitting here telling a bald-faced lie. There is no way I get into that relationship. He barely say something to me. He say something maybe if it's like we all hanging out or something at the bar or something like that. He might, what's up, Isha? But if I come over her house or something, he put his face down or he get in his phone. Like he not, like, I didn't even enter the room.
But I'm saying, Your Honor, every time I enter the room, it's she looking at me in a, you know what I'm saying, crazy way, like I did something to her.
Well, do you like Mr. Moore? Are you happy that they have a relationship, and do you respect and honor your best friend's man?
I respect her decisions,
They don't like each other.
but I'm not gonna say I don't like him.
What, is he not good to her?
to me, he's not good enough.
Oh my God.
Why is he not good enough?
Because, for one, when he first met her, they was going out, they was hanging out. He did the things that he needed to do to get her. And now that he got her and he done put a ring on her finger, now he barely even spend time with her. We kicking more than he
That's
do.
because I work.
Okay,
I'm at
well
work.
then
I'm out
you have
doing
to
other
spread
things.
that time out. You talking about husband material. You have to spread your time out equally
Where
with your
your
wife.
husband?
Well, maybe part of the problem with them getting alone time is you.
No, it's not me.
Oh.
It's not me. It's not me. Because my best friend calls me and lets me know things that he's doing that I really, some stuff I might say, okay, well, he was right. You was wrong. But some stuff, he be wrong. He shouldn't
Tell
do
me
that.
something he's wrong about.
Okay, prime example. We, me and her was hanging out one night, and we hung out at some other friends' houses, and, you know, we just did our little normal thing. We had a little drinking game or whatever, went to a little gathering, did our little thing, came home, but we ended up passing out. We ended up passing out in her bed. When he got off from work, he snapped out, and ever since then, it's just been some
Animosity.
agitation.
'Cause y'all
and
was
I'm
in the
like,
bed
wait a minute.
together.
Okay, but my best friend is not bisexual.
I
She likes
don't know what's
men.
going on when I'm
But
not
you
there.
should already know that by now. You've been dealing with me this long. How you don't know?
How do I?
Well,
How do I
now,
know?
wait, hang on,
Because you
hang
always.
on, hang on. Y'all out drinking with a drinking game.
We had a drinking game, and when we got back, we didn't have any air conditioning at the time.
Oh.
So we were
Let that be the excuse.
in our, less of clothing. We were covered, but
We
we
were
weren't in
covered.
clothing like this.
And we wasn't like laying
And we
on
passed
top
out.
of each other.
She was on one side, I was on the other side.
I was at the
opposite
bed
laid
way.
out with no clothes on,
No,
and
we
you
had-
expect him to be
No, we
okay
had
with that?
underclothes on.
I had leggings on
And-
with a tank top. She had boy shorts on with a tank top. I was laying at one end of the bed. She was laying at one end of the bed.
He come in and
He come in
flip
snapping
the
because
script.
we're just in the bed together. But we're
Now, Miss Shaw,
What's the problem? I'm trying to figure out the problem, bro. It ain't like it was. I mean, if you don't want it, then you don't want it. But I'm like, shit. All right, cool. If that's how we doing it tonight, that's how we doing it tonight, bro. I don't see what the issue is. I really don't.
let me put this in perspective for you. His phone rings. You almost get into a crash on the highway trying to jump at him because his phone rang, but you want him to be okay with you and your bisexual friend drunk, naked, laying in the bed. Does that sound a little off?
We wasn't
I
naked.
know how it looked.
We wasn't naked.
But this doesn't mean that anything was happening.
Scantily clad.
Okay.
I
Scantily
don't
clad.
trust him.
Well,
I don't trust him.
Okay.
What's the problem, bro? I'm not saying what the problem is. If you play your cards right, you can slide. You might be able to maneuver up in that, man. Hey, to each his own. To each his own, bro. But I don't really think that it's nothing like that, man. You know, that's how they be, bro. And even if they did do it, we'll never find out. They're not going to tell us. We never going to know. We're not really going to know the truth, man. Just charge it to the game. Charge it to the game.
Okay, you might not trust me, and I'm cool with that, but my best friend ain't one with you. So
But
you
I'm saying, why you always got your nose in our business? Why don't you just find you somebody to love you?
Like I said, I do. I have a few. I do.
Have a few. Oh.
But I'm in her business because that's my little sister. That's my best friend. I was her first.
So tell me
Okay,
this.
So you
okay,
see what I gotta deal with every
that's
day.
enough. That's enough. That's enough. Miss Shone, I know why you like Miss Brown, because you two silly, feisty women love to have a good time together and all hollering and girl and woo and all that kind of stuff. And I
Right.
know you two annoy the living daylights out of Mr. Moore. I know that's what's going on. I appreciate you coming, Miss Brown. Why don't you have a seat right over there, and I'm going
She
to
gonna sit in the
continue
back.
this matter with the two parties
Whatever.
involved. Now, one of the things that really kills couples is they have issues about money, but they never resolve them. I want to get your perspective on what your economic situation is and why you have the problem with him about money.
He says I'm allergic to money.
True.
I like to shop. I'm a girl. I like to get my nails done. I like to look pretty. I like to do all that. But it ain't just for me. I gotta look nice for him. He gets mad when I spend too much, or if the rent's getting close, he don't want me to go do it right then, or I get limited to what I can spend. But we both work full-time jobs. I should be able to spend my glamorous money when I want to.
Mr. Moore, your thoughts on that? I have thoughts. I'm sure you do.
All I'm saying, Your Honor, okay, rent was due. I call up, I'm like, where you at? You know what I'm saying? We got to pay this late for, you know what I'm saying, rent. Oh, I'm up here at the nail shop, kicking it with, you know what I'm saying, blase this, blase that. Just wait for me. And hour and a half go by. She's still up there doing her little girl thing, gospel. I don't have no problem with her looking good. Look, she looked beautiful, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna be out on the streets looking good too, you know what I'm saying? Looking good like that.
Looking cute on the street.
I don't spend that much money.
Let me ask you this. Don't you see some logic in what he's saying?
I do.
If you tight on the rent, why are you gonna spend it on your nails?
He's exaggerating a little bit. Rent.
Tell him about the TV you bought, the 50-inch TV you bought.
What happened with the 50-inch TV?
Oh, my God.
You bought it.
I bought it.
And without my knowledge, didn't tell me nothing.
How much was it?
I thought he would like it.
How much was it? How
much was it?
Like
was
$700.
And don't put that in there, I thought here like it. Don't try and put your bad decision making off on me. Be a big girl about it. You was a big girl when you pulled out that card and you entered in that debit number. Now be a big girl and tell the truth about it, bro. You wanted the TV, But don't put that off. Oh, I thought that he would like it, whatever, bro. No, that was for you. That was for you. And there ain't nothing wrong with that. Always treat yourself. Always treat yourself. Ain't nobody gonna treat you better than you are. Nobody gonna treat you better than you are. Within your means, though. Stay within your means. Stay within your realm. Everybody know they realm, bro. You either gonna go to Walmart and get the little Emerson TV, or you gonna get the the little Vizio, or you looking at a Samsung, bro, or LG, something like that. Stay in your realm. Stay in your realm, but ain't nothing wrong with treating yourself, but take care of your responsibilities, and then you go ahead and do something like that. You feel me?
$700?
Right.
Were you tight on rent that month?
Every month we tight.
Every month. Let me tell you something about late fees and interest and those credit cards you put them on. That's called the stupid tax. And they get you on the stupid tax. They get you on, you're late on your rent. You still got to pay all the rent, but you got to pay $50 extra for the stupid tax.
Right.
Don't pay the stupid tax.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be stupid.
Right.
All I'm saying is, Your Honor, we talked about the TV. We talked about getting the TV, you know what I'm saying, for the family. And our agreement was, you know what I'm saying, we're going to work on getting a little smaller TV and moving on up, you know what I'm saying, until we catch up on whatever we need to catch up on.
I didn't feel we needed 2 TVs moving
Well,
on
here's
up. Just
the
get
deal.
one.
This is what I'm trying to say.
We
If
don't
you
need to
can
be there.
afford it, you can buy it. But if you can't afford it and you're paying taxes on it, you just can't do it. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do.
And you can't get everything right now. You don't need everything right now. You got him. Look at him.
Right. Thank you. Thank you.
Put the TV down after divorce court goes off.
An Undefeated reacts too. Man, Judge be thinking she's slick. She be taking my little punches, man. Love you, Judge, baby. You know, we still doing our thing, getting to it. We still doing our thing, getting to it. Yeah, bro, but after Undefeated and divorce, yeah, then you change the channel. That was slick.
Miss Schoen, 30 seconds. I want to know why this man is the man for you. Do it right, do it well. Don't mess it up.
He's as close to perfect as I've ever seen in a man. He makes me feel really, really special. He's great with my child. Spoils me. I get what I want. He's everything I want in a man. He's manly. He does most of the stuff I ask him to do, you know. He's just different. He just makes me feel
Mr. Moore, 30
different.
seconds. It's on you.
I love Brittany. I want to marry her. You know what I'm saying? I love her that she's always there for me. She holds me down. She's my rock. You know what I'm saying? And I just feel that she can be everywhere I need her to be. And whatever I need, she's there.
She's down for you.
She's down. She's always there. I hate that we have to have our arguments. I hate that we have to have our disputes. But it always, at the end of the day, it always comes out beautiful. You know what I'm saying?
Let me tell you something, Miss Schoen. Remember last time I told you to kick the guy to the curb?
Yes, ma'am.
And you did it.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to keep this brother over
I
here.
know.
He loves you. He's good to you. He's not, no other women are calling him. Leave his phone alone. Don't throw it out the window. Don't read the texts. Don't rush to it. He's not going anywhere. He loves you. Be secure in that. Be safe in that. Don't worry about what the rest of the world is doing. This brother loves you. And you have to leave it there, okay? Don't be insecure. Don't be scared. He's not running. If he's running anywhere, he's running towards you, not away from you. Don't chase him away. You see what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Check my boy out in the back. You felt that one.
Don't be scared. He's not running. If he's running anywhere, he's running towards you, not away from you.
Yes, sir.
Don't chase him away. You see what I'm saying?
Yes,
Take
sir.
this marriage certificate, go on and do the right thing. This matter is adjourned.
Yeah. Yeah, embrace it. Embrace it. That's the problem, man. A picture worth 1,000 words, ain't it? A picture's worth 1,000 words, bro. That's gonna be your mission right there. That's the one right there, bro. I'm telling you.
Well, I'm gonna say I just hope and pray that everything turns out right and she doesn't get heartbroken again. That's my best friend. I'm worried about her. I'm always gonna be worried about her. She's my little sister. I love you, Brittany.
Hey, bro, they cool. They cool. They ain't really had no issues other than the issues that Shorty was probably planting in her head, trying to get her to believe. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm best friends. And again, I get it. I understand that as a best friend, you want to be able to protect your best friend and, you know, you don't want to see him hurt or nothing like that. I get that. I don't want to see my chop, 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 chop. I don't want to see my best friend get hurt or nothing like that, bro. But you also got to give him enough rope to let him go out there and learn and make mistakes and learn how they supposed to do that or experience certain things. It's like a child, bro. It's just like a child. You can't hold your child so tight that they don't get a chance to experience life or live life or something like that, bro. You gotta let her live and experience. My thing, this is how I put it. I'm like, man, I want to give you enough leeway where as though you'll feel like you running on your own. You riding your bike on your own. I ain't pushing no more, none of that. But I also want to be close enough where as though if you fall, I can still reach out and catch you before you hit the ground. Now, your heart's still going to start pounding because you going back and you like, oh, it's about to go down. But, no, daddy going to be here. I got you, baby girl. I got you. Don't worry about it. That was my daughter. I miss my baby, man. I miss her right now. But, yeah, bro, like with this whole situation, man, you going to have to get up out the way because they cool. They cool, bro. They cool. Whatever chemistry or whatever you want to call it that they got, bro, it just worked. It worked for them, and when that's rare, bro. Like when it ain't no issues or nothing, it really wasn't, man. No infidelities. He ain't worried about her. She ain't worried about him. She gonna spend a little bit more when she not supposed to. Yeah, whatever. She gonna invite her annoying homegirl over every now and yeah, whatever, bro. But outside of that, man, that's good money. That's good money. That looks like a healthy situation right there, bro. Like they would be a fucking functioning members of society, bro. It look good. It look good to me, man. But y'all let me know what y'all think about that video. GTG, the family as always is love. And we out.